So this is the end of the game. I've got a score for my continents and oceans quiz, pre-assessment and post-assessment, and I'm going to submit them into Schoology with a screenshot. So how do you take a screenshot? That's the next step. We've got to get this box down here. Come down here and you want to go to your search and type in snipping tool or snip and sketch. I use snip and sketch. Click on that. This box appears on your screen. You click new. And then you have the lasso or the rectangle. And I always go with the rectangle. That's freeform drawing, cutting. This is to get something square. You put your cursor over your score, the whole thing. Actually, you don't need the whole thing. You just need the percentage. You let go of the click. And there it is. You can Control C, and that copies it. Or you can click the disk up here and save it to your computer. Remember, if you do that, it's going to stay on the desktop of the computer, and you have to delete it after you upload it to Schoology. You'd come back to your Schoology page, and over here, mine's a teacher version. Yours is going to look a little different. You'd have Submit Work. You click on that, and then in the box, you click, that pops up for you to submit work. You'd click Control V, and that would put your screenshot in there. That's paste. So that's a rundown of how to do the screenshot and submit work. After you've got the screenshot on that box, you hit turn in, submit, and it should show up on your right hand side as work submitted. You're done.